In this video, I will show you how to unlock selection in Microsoft Word. But before we continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are. As you can see on Microsoft Word, you can see I've got a document opened. Now, if I actually go and try and edit this or type, you're going to see in the bottom left-hand corner, we have this message which says you can't make this change because the selection is locked. Now, there's a couple of things you can do to unlock selections so you can start editing documents. The first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner and click onto File. Then what you want to do is come to this menu on the left-hand side and click onto Info. Now, on the info screen, if you look at the top, you can see we've got this Protect Document option. If you actually go ahead and click onto the button here, Protect Document, there's two possible options in here which could stop you from unlocking these selections. So basically, the first one is Restrict Editing. So if this is turned on, you can tell which ones are turned on because they've got like a black box around them. So you can see in this case, Restrict Editing is turned on. So if we actually go ahead and give that a click, and what it's going to do is bring up the Restrict Editing box on the right-hand side. On this right-hand side box where it says Restrict Editing, if you look at the bottom, you're going to see a box which says Stop Protection. Now, if we go ahead and give that a click, and what I'm going to do is untick the box here to change it so it's not read-only, then I can cross this box off and type as per normal. Now, another reason this can happen, if we come back to File and go back to Info and then Protect Document, is if the document is marked as final. So I've currently not marked this one as final, but sometimes if it's marked as final, that lets readers know the document is final. So if I actually turn this on, then basically what's going to happen is if I go back into the document itself, you're going to see at the top it says marked as final. An author has marked this document as final to discourage editing. Sometimes this can lock the editing as well, but you can edit anyway by clicking the button here. But generally, if it's marked as final, just come to this Protect Document and make sure to turn that off. Now, another thing you can actually do if I come out of Word is from your desktop, if you actually come down to your search box at the bottom and type File Explorer, and then open up File Explorer underneath Best Match, what you want to do is actually come over to the left-hand side and locate List PC, so just down here. Then you want to go into your hard drive, so your C drive, and then go into Program Files. And what you want to do is come down and go into Microsoft Office, not Office 15, just the normal Microsoft Office, and then double-click to go into Office 16 folder. What you want to do is actually run this here, so this OSPPREARM. By doing that, that's going to perform a reset and potentially unlock files, but that is another thing you can actually try as well. By following these methods, you should now be able to unlock selection in Microsoft Word. So that is how to unlock selection in Microsoft Word. With that being said, if this quick tutorial did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.